What's up, guys? Today we're finishing up the 66 because tomorrow she gets painted, and I'm really excited about that. Let me show you what the paint shop is going to do for us. Aside from painting, they're also going to do a little body work. They're going to fill these holes here, right where the California style tow mirrors used to be, because I want to make sure I have a good tight grip on the metal when I go to put the new ones on. We're going to get all of the holes along the bed side here taken care of. And what else we got going on here? They're not going to do the frame. Why? Because I did the frame. They're not going to do the wheels because I did the wheels. So really right now, all we're going to be worried about is the paint. Oh, that's right. One thing inside the cab. Let me show you guys real quick. Right there. As you can see, at some point during the life of this truck, somebody decided they wanted an aftermarket radio and went to town hacking the poor dashboard to pieces. Well, lucky for me, Brothers Trucks makes a replica, or they sell a replica. So all I'm going to do is have the body shop put that bad boy right in. And I don't have the fabrication skills necessary to do something like that. So they are going to take care of all of these as well, because I don't want any Bondo problems. I don't want anything bubbling or anything like that. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm not even going to try to pretend that I have fabrication skills good enough to put that dash panel in. And I'm going to have them blend it all together. In fact, I'm actually going to have them paint the interior the exact same color as the exterior. And there's a surprise. The steering wheel is going to be white. That's right. I'm going to do the steering wheel and the column in white to separate it, to make it pop from the interior of the truck. Then we're going to go ahead and get one of those retro radios. That way I could listen to my beats and hang out, going to the skate park, to the hardware store, to the car show. We already have all of the floor out. I took the seat out to do that. It's the original seat. I'm not going to have the wheels painted. Why? Because I took the time to do that myself. Why pay for something that I could do myself, right? The wheels look good, and they're rattle can, and I clear coated it. That's a little trick and tip I picked up on C10 Talk, explaining that if you did that and clear coat it, it looks great. It looks brand new, and you know what? It does. So why pay another $300 to have somebody else do it when I did it myself? And if they get scuffed, I just redo it. The top is going to remain white. I'm pretty stoked on that. The rest of the body is going to be that green that I was telling you guys about in the last video. This truck is going to look sick. Guys, hit that like button if you want to see it, if you're stoked for it. If you're excited like I am, just hit that like button for me. What do you guys think? Do you think green's a good color? Should I have left it blue? Leave a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. We have all new weather stripping that they're going to put in. That's what's sitting on the dash right here. Oh, and take a look at these. I'm going to have them paint these, and I'm going to install them myself. All you do is you rivet. So we'll end up drilling into the bedside and riveting those on. That way I have good secure tie downs. I'm actually going to put one here and then one in each of those spots there.